Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Silo. Please do not forget to subscribe, comment, like and also share this video. Unathi has opened up about the real reason why she and Somizi are no longer friends. She revealed to Garrett Cliff on his new podcast, which is called Uncancelled, that Somizi is responsible for their relationship breakup after he decided to pick sides during her divorce to her ex-husband Thomas Msengana, you guys. She also said that Somizi continued to speak bad about her on Idols SA, and she decided to cut her ties off with them as a result. Please check out the rest of this clip to see what I'm talking about.
I think the third thing that people want me to clarify it was the Kaya Idols and Somizi. All four of us were thick as thieves. And Thomas and I got divorced. You and Randall didn't choose sides. Never choose sides, but he did. He'd come back and then speak smack about me on the very same reality show. And my dad said, this is your real life.
Boundaries.
Now. This is your real life, and we've raised you to go to school for what you do. Your life is not going to be on your own reality show, never mind someone else's. And my dad was like, look at it play out. And he wants your divorce to play out on his reality show. And that's not going to happen in the Ngaine. You're not going to the wedding. That's going to be your first statement.
Sure. You have no relationship at all?
No. And that's when I said, we're not friends.
Our next guest, Somizi, ladies.